Next, we will demonstrate the long and short stitch. You can draw a line in the middle. This will help with our embroidery. Using 6 strands of floss, color number 6. It is similar to satin stitch. We'll split it in half to stitch. Let's start with the left side. Bring the needle through at center. First stitch lands at the line we just made. Bring the needle through next to previous stitch. Let's make a long stitch. Bring the needle through next to previous stitch. Make a short stitch. Bring the needle down near the blue line. Form alternating long and short stitches. Stitch them alternately. Follow this step along the pattern's path. Complete the pattern with stitches. This stitch is perfect for showing color gradients, or natural transitions, or for filling large areas. This stitch requires some skill. We need patience while stitching. Practice will improve our work. After finishing this side, we'll stitch the remaining side. It's like satin stitch. Bring the needle through at center again. First center stitch is short. Next, we'll make a long stitch. Bring the needle through next to previous line. Bring the needle down for the last stitch. Then, use 6 strands of floss, color number 9 for bottom part. Bring the needle through at center again. Bring the needle down at the position above, right next to it, then at the adjacent position. Bring the needle down close to previous stitch. Repeat this step. Complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches close to previous ones. Leave no gaps. Complete this side using same method. Bring the needle through from middle. Bring the needle down next to previous stitch. Bring the needle down here for last stitch. The long and short stitch pattern is complete. Let's see the finished work.